2001 Mitsubishi Galant 2.4 liter. It came in with a, said it kind of misfired, it did something like that. So I'll show you what we found. We'll go ahead and repair it, and you'll probably find the same things with yours too. Alright, so the valve cover was leaking externally. You can see that. Wire going to that. But, let's see here. We got spark plug tubes full of oil. So we need plugs and wires. Soaked. So, let me adjust this camera a little bit. So let's get this valve cover out here. You got a PCV valve right there. Got your coils right here. Vacuum hose over here. Just unplugging all that. Wires all unplugged. I'm taking off of there. This junk out of the way. So we've got a bunch of 10 millimeters going on here. Pretty straightforward. 10 millimeter holding the cable on. So you can get that off to the side. 10 millimeter holding your coils in. We'll pull our coils up out of there. Expect to see them full of oil too. Yuck. Extremely full. So obviously coil boots. You know, that one not bad, but anyway. I'm going to disconnect that. Trying to be careful that I don't break it. PCV hose. Just going to put it right here on our battery. This one is tie strapped on right there. I'm just going to cut that so I can move it off to the side. There we go. Get that out of the way. Now, it's like a 12 right there. Holding on that power steering. Back to our 10 millimeter on a wiring harness in the back. Now we'll go after the 10 millimeter valve cover bolts. Really dirty. I bet you that gasket is hard as a brick. So once you get all your tins out, you got to get up underneath that thing and try to lift it. It's going to be on there like concrete. trying. Lots of fun with this one. Okay. I've also, well, I noticed this, got to pull this front cover off this timing. So I'm going to pull that up out of there, and then we'll keep working on that gasket. It's not going to be fun. This should pull straight up out of here. This is your overflow coolant bottle. Lay that off to the side. We got 12 millimeters there. I thought they were 10 millimeters. Just a couple right here in the front. Whoop. That should move that cover back enough to get that valve cover out of there. If not, there's another one here and here down lower that you can remove. Oh, tie that out of our way. Alright, let's try again, see if we can get this thing to budge. Alright, we're getting there. Alright. So we should be able to pull her up out of there, flip her over. And yeah, that gasket is hard. We're going to have to dig down in there, get that out. Spark plug tube seals right here. Got to get all them out of there. Like that. Alright, so I'm going to get a thin scraper, screwdriver, and a hammer, I know, and beat this silly gasket out. So we're going to stop while I'm doing that, getting everything washed up and cleaned up. Inside of this motor is very clean. And then from there, we'll pick back up putting it on. So my helper's cleaning up that valve cover. We got to put plugs in it. Put a rag over it. Blew all the oil out of the spark plug tube area. Obviously wipe down all your surface areas. I need to get something to grab the spark plugs. If you're your spark plug socket's screwed up, I'm going to try this. Should be able to grab it. That's not even working. Magnet or maybe needle nose. There we go. They weren't too horrible, but alright, we got our spark plugs out, we got our new spark plugs. I just look at my gap anymore on these Platinums. I don't usually set them. Put that in there. Now if you want to get picky and you want to torque into specs, 15 foot-pounds. We're not working on airplanes, so that's all I do. Just don't hold it on, then check them. Just like that. So anyway, I couldn't find torque specs anywhere. I do most of this stuff by feel anyway. Other mechanics said 10 Newton meters. It's not that critical. So just go around them evenly.
So if you want to do German torque specs, it's good to like.
That's right. Just tighten them up till it feels right. I'm going to clean all this area up, obviously. Put our coils back. And they actually have certain spots where they go. Get your tins for that. Again, as you see, hang on a second, that is correct. Alright, spark plug wire, short one here, engaged, and on. Longer wire here, engaged, and on, number one. Just right down in there like that. Then plug your coil back in. find your other coil wire, obviously. It's right there. Anyway. And there. There. Let's get some stuff started here. That one. Got wire harness in the rear. Hell of that. Oh. Okay. Got a little bit ahead of himself. Did the cardinal no-no in a crisis situation. Just kidding. Anyway. Oh, how about that? That's much better. Don't worry. I'm going to go back and check them. Anyway, plug that coil in there. Breather hose back on. PCV valve back in. I believe, well, a couple bolts up front, that's true. And one right here for this bracket for your power steering right there. There we are, cover. Timing cover. Fans are on today. It is hot. So background noise we are going to have. All right. We've got some obvious cleanup there. Then you put your washer bottle slid back down in here. Excuse me, coolant bottle. Obviously, like I say, gotta clean everything up. I gotta take it up, I gotta change the oil on it. But there you are, valve cover gasket on your 2001 Mitsubishi Galant 2.4 liter. Like it or not, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you watching.